Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Certified YouTuber. In this video we are going to drop the Samsung Galaxy M51 from the 1 km height from the ground. So let's get started. Before we drop this phone, let's unbox the phone box. Here you can see guys the box. Let's unbox it. Wow guys, the phone looks really beautiful in the hands. We have the back part of the phone is made of plastic. Samsung call it plastic I think, but I don't think for a phone of this price point this is somewhat justified. And the display is also really good. It's Super AMOLED Plus technology and the cameras are okay. The Sony IMX586 sensor is good for this phone, and the 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor is also good, but the 5 megapixel depth and macro camera are the trash for this phone. So let's go to our drop location and drop this phone from 1 km height. So guys, we came to our drop location. In just few moments we are gonna drop this phone from 1 km height. So let's hang the phone to our drone. So guys, in just few moments we are going to drop this phone. So are you ready? Let's start the countdown. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So let's go to our home and clear up everything and let's see what happens to this phone. Here you can see guys, we came to our home and the phone I think is no longer survive this test. So the phone takes the impact really hard from the 1 km height. So the phone completely shattered from the front and the back. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome content, and finally peace out.